So after 2 days of non-stop rain, the area we love to go crawling at, as you can see, was full of water. So we were doing a lot of jumping around, going in the water, and just trying to figure it out. And it was pretty sloppy out there. I really didn't get to do a whole lot of running with my rigs because I was trying to get the video. I did get some footage of it, but not much, and maybe a few still pictures. But these guys we met up as the Queen City Crawlers, and that's Charlotte, North Carolina, and we were out here crawling. And the footage you're seeing right now is from the drone my son's flying around. We've been playing around with this since the last video, and I try to do some shots with the camera as well. And like I said, it was a pretty tough day to try to do both, drive the truck and shoot footage. So, and my son got some pretty good shots here of the guys crawling. So this is why we decided to use this footage instead of what I did, because it was a lot better.
Get closer, get closer.
I think it's dead.
Damn, how freaking out? Give me some footage. Look at this. This is wonderful. Go give me a big stick. way down there. Go get it for me. And get the truck. I don't have the balance to be dancing down there.
Can't see.
Running here.
Dad, mine just fell. Oh! Dad, I was dropping sideways in the water and got out. Dad, I just drove sideways in the water.
Oh, I drove around it.
Dad, I just drove sideways in the water.